Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. The Prophet ﷺ told us, tie your camel and put your trust in Allah. Tying our camels when it comes to rizq and barakah looks different at different stages of life. Sometimes it's looking for work, putting in long hours, trying to stretch a budget or making a big purchase towards a big change in life. The Prophet ﷺ encouraged us to take ownership of these decisions, to be present for them, and to put in the hard work. Alongside this, putting our trust in Allah is essential. This looks like raising our hands in dua and asking Him for our needs, and with as much tawakkul as possible, we wait with contentment for our duas to come to fruition, whether in this life or the next. It has been recorded in Jami At-Tirmidhi that a man who was in debt came to Ali ibn Abi Talib, may Allah be pleased with him, seeking his help to pay off some debt. Ali told him, "Shall I not teach you some words which the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, taught me? If you say it, Allah will take care of your debt even if your debt was as big as a mountain." He then mentioned the following dua: Allahumakfinee bihalaalika haraamika, aghninee bifadhlika amman siwaak, which means, suffice me with that which is lawful against that which is prohibited, and make me independent of all those besides you. May Allah make us self-sufficient and guide us in the right path. Amen.